As we journey through life, our bodies change. These changes are inevitable and part of the natural aging process. We gain wisdom and experience, enriching our lives with memories and stories that shape who we are. But along with these beautiful aspects of aging, we might also notice new aches, stiffness, or digestive changes that can affect our daily lives. It's a natural part of aging, a phase where our bodies require more care and attention. Imagine a way to ease discomfort and enhance our overall well-being, allowing us to enjoy our golden years to the fullest. This is where castor oil, a time-tested remedy, steps into the spotlight. Known for its numerous health benefits, castor oil has been used for centuries. Let's delve into the world of castor oil and discover its potential benefits for those of us embracing the golden years. From reducing inflammation to improving digestion, castor oil might just be the natural solution we've been searching for. Castor oil boasts a rich history, its roots stretching back to ancient civilizations. Extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, this pale yellow oil has been revered for its therapeutic properties for centuries. Imagine the bustling marketplaces of ancient Egypt, where castor oil was a prized possession, used for everything from lighting lamps to promoting hair growth. Fast forward to today, and castor oil continues to capture attention, its versatility and potential health benefits still captivating researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Joint pain and stiffness are common companions as we age. The wear and tear of time can take its toll, leading to discomfort and reduced mobility. Castor oil, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, offers a beacon of hope. Imagine massaging warm castor oil onto your aching knees or stiff shoulders, feeling its warmth penetrate deep into the muscles and joints. This simple act can work wonders in reducing inflammation, easing pain, and restoring flexibility. Castor oil's ability to penetrate deeply into the skin makes it an ideal topical treatment for targeted relief. Our digestive systems, like any well-oiled machine, can become less efficient with age. Constipation, indigestion, and bloating can become unwelcome guests. Castor oil, known for its mild laxative properties, can help to gently nudge things along. Imagine starting your day with a small dose of castor oil mixed into a glass of juice. This can help to stimulate bowel movements, promoting regularity and easing discomfort. However, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you have any pre-existing digestive conditions. Our skin, a reflection of our life experiences, deserves a little extra TLC as we age. Over the years, our skin tells a story, one of laughter, tears, and countless memories. But with time, it also begins to show signs of wear and tear, such as dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Castor oil, with its rich concentration of fatty acids, emerges as a skincare superhero. This natural oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that provides intense hydration and nourishment. Its moisturizing properties can help combat dryness, leaving your skin feeling supple and hydrated. When applied regularly, castor oil forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing further dehydration. This can be especially beneficial during the colder months when the skin tends to lose moisture more rapidly. Imagine applying a few drops of castor oil to your face before bedtime, gently massaging it into your skin. This simple nightly ritual can make a world of difference. The act of massaging not only helps the oil penetrate deeper, but also stimulates blood circulation, promoting healthier skin. As you sleep, the oil works its magic, drawing moisture to the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Overnight, your skin undergoes a natural repair process, and castor oil enhances this by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. Castor oil's ability to penetrate deeply allows it to deliver nutrients and antioxidants to the skin's deeper layers, promoting a youthful glow. Regular use can lead to visibly smoother, softer, and more radiant skin. So why not give your skin the love and care it deserves with the natural goodness of castor oil? A robust immune system is our first line of defense against illness. As we age, our immune response naturally weakens, making us more susceptible to infections. Castor oil, with its immune-boosting potential, can help fortify our body's natural defenses. Imagine castor oil as a gentle warrior, supporting the lymphatic system, a crucial part of our immune system. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is believed to stimulate lymphatic drainage, helping to flush out toxins and waste products that can compromise our immunity. Hair thinning and scalp issues are common concerns as we age. Castor oil, with its unique ability to nourish the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, offers a natural solution for promoting hair growth and thickness. Imagine massaging warm castor oil into your scalp, feeling its soothing warmth invigorate your senses. The oil's rich nutrient profile, including vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, nourishes the hair follicles, strengthens the hair shafts, and promotes a healthy scalp environment conducive to hair growth. Real people, real results. Stories of castor oil transformation. Across the globe, individuals over 50 are rediscovering the power of castor oil. This age-old remedy, known for its myriad of health benefits, is making a significant comeback in the lives of many seniors. From easing joint pain to improving digestion, castor oil is proving to be a versatile and effective solution for various health concerns. Their stories offer a testament to its potential benefits and inspire us to explore its potential in our own lives. These real-life experiences not only highlight the effectiveness of castor oil, but also encourage others to consider natural remedies as part of their health regimen. The personal journeys of these individuals serve as powerful reminders of the impact that simple, natural solutions can have on our well-being. We hear from Sarah, a retired teacher who credits castor oil with relieving her chronic knee pain, allowing her to resume her beloved gardening hobby. Sarah's story is a shining example of how castor oil can help manage pain and improve quality of life. She shares how applying castor oil to her knees daily has significantly reduced her discomfort, enabling her to spend more time doing what she loves. John, a grandfather of 5, shares how castor oil improved his digestion, enabling him to enjoy family meals without discomfort. John explains that incorporating a small amount of castor oil into his diet has made a noticeable difference in his digestive health. He no longer experiences the bloating and discomfort that used to plague him during family gatherings, allowing him to fully enjoy these precious moments with his loved ones. These personal anecdotes highlight the real-life impact of castor oil on the lives of older adults. The stories of Sarah and John, along with many others, demonstrate the potential of castor oil to enhance the well-being of seniors. By sharing their experiences, they offer hope and inspiration to others who may be seeking natural ways to improve their health and quality of life. The transformative power of castor oil is evident in these heartfelt testimonials, encouraging us all to consider its benefits. Integrating castor oil into your life. Practical tips and tricks. Incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. Small, consistent steps can yield significant results. Start by choosing high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil. For joint pain, warm a small amount of oil and massage it into the affected area. For digestive support, consult with your healthcare provider regarding dosage. For hair and skin benefits, apply a few drops of oil and massage gently. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you. A holistic approach to aging gracefully. Aging gracefully is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing our changing bodies while prioritizing our health and well-being. Castor oil, with its diverse range of potential benefits, offers a natural way to support our bodies during this transformative phase of life. Remember, our bodies are interconnected systems. By addressing one area, such as joint pain or digestive health, we often see positive ripple effects in other areas of our well-being. Castor oil's holistic approach to health aligns perfectly with this philosophy. Share your castor oil experience. Have you experienced the power of castor oil? We invite you to share your stories, insights, and questions in the comments below. Let's create a community of knowledge and support, empowering each other to age gracefully and vibrantly. Your feedback is invaluable to us. By sharing your experiences, you contribute to a growing body of knowledge that can help others discover the potential of natural remedies like castor oil. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life after 50.